Welcome to our guide on how to use system expansion in Solargraph. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of optimizing your solar setup for maximum efficiency and savings. System expansion is a great solution for homeowners in California whose home consumption increased over time. It may be due to adding an EV or expanding the list of appliances in the home. Expanding the existing solar system with new solar and battery will mandate homeowners to go to NEM 3, which will reduce the savings from their existing systems. Utilities allow homeowners to retain their NEM 2 status by abiding by a regulation that the new system cannot export back to the grid and contribute to the credits. This will make sure that the new system will not be able to generate additional credits, but will allow the utility bills to be offset. To get started with system expansion, start a new project as usual, and head to the pre-design page and make the usual project details selection for project type and service type. Then select system type as system expansion. You can choose to create a 3D or 2D design under the design tool selection. Populate the tariff field with the current solar tariff of the homeowner. Set the new system tariff to reflect the new tariff the system expansion will use. We will also go ahead and set the power export limit to 0, since our new system won't be exporting to the grid. Input the homeowner's consumption. This can be done by using the estimate option or by uploading interval data. Let's say the homeowner's consumption is 10,000 kilowatt hours. You can even define a consumption profile and model in any heavy load appliances. Once the consumption has been added, you can input the production details. You can do so by adding annual production, monthly production, existing solar details, or hourly production. Let's use 8,000 kilowatt hours annually. These inputs are crucial for calculating your system's efficiency. Give it a save and let's design your solar system. In Roof Design, use roof outline detection and the wizard to construct your 3D model. You can use the obstructions tool to outline and label pre-existing PV arrays. Then head into Solar Design to design your system. The system information box is where we see the consumption needs. I entered in 10,000 kilowatt hours for the consumption, but here we have 8,000 kilowatt hours for the current production, as this is the old system that is in place. This means that our consumption offset is 80%. Typically on a new system, this would be set to 0. Now we will place our panels. Let's say I add 4 panels to our design. Let's calculate our production. We can always add more panels as needed and recalculate our production. Once we are at the desired consumption offset, we can select the tooltip next to our production to see the system curtailment, which can help us decide whether a battery is necessary. You may consider integrating a battery to store excess solar energy. This helps minimize curtailment and ensures energy availability during periods of low solar generation, like at night. Finally, the changes can be seen in the proposal when we look at the utility bill, which will be what remains when the new expanded system is in place. So there you have it. You've learned how to effectively expand your solar system in Solargraph, which allows you to close more deals, for homeowners to retain previous post-solar tariffs, and view export curtailment, leading to reduced energy costs and a greener future.